So I started using these products, the shampoo, conditioner and the growth elixir, about 2 months ago. So early January, it's now March. So I've always had really super fine hair, and I've just noticed in like the last couple of days I've got little spiky bits starting to pop up everywhere. And my hair just feels really healthy. I haven't noticed a whole change in thickness, but when I scrunch it and run my hands through, it just feels like there's more there. It feels a lot more healthy. I also really love using the products. Like the shampoo and conditioner feel really nice, and they're light on my head, but they're really conditioning as well. So I'm only 2 months in. They say 3 months to really feel the difference and see the difference. But I definitely think I've stopped losing as much hair as I used to. And, having all these little spiky bits starting to pop up everywhere is super exciting. So I'm definitely going to continue using them. Even if I don't see a massive change in growth or thickness, I just really love how they feel anyway. Like my hair just feels fantastic. So I'm about 90% sure I'm going to keep using the products anyway. But excited for the next month because that's when I'm meant to start seeing some changes anyway. But I definitely recommend giving it a try if it's something that you want to, if you're battling with like hair loss or thin hair or something along those lines. Hope that helps.